I have a pet hate. The pet hate is the experts that speak about certain things. I have signed up with Legacy Builder. I have purchased the Launchpad version 2 program. I am working it. I'm seeing dividend. I am educating myself. I speak with people that say they have heard about Legacy Builder. They've heard about it. So I asked, have you tried it? No, but I've heard what people are saying about it. I said, okay, are those people that are actually working the business? And then I got a response like, yeah, there's one guy bought into the system. He released 1 or 2 videos and he finds that it's not working for him. Excuse me, because, nowhere in the promotion of Launchpad Legacy, the version 2 Launchpad program, has anybody ever said that it is going to be easy, that you just need to make 1 video and cross your fingers and hope everything turns out good? No. There is a system in place that you have to learn, and then you implement it, and then it gains traction because of your perseverance, your consistency, and then you start earning a passive daily income. So come on, guys, be real. Don't badmouth something that you have no experience about. Come and join me. Just comment ready and I will show you how to start.